Right, I didn't insulate the floor the last time I did the van, and it was fine. I just thought I'd put some in, it might make it a little bit better, but it's not too bad. Like, I've got supports at that end, supports all the way through. Like I say, it's got bashes in here anyway. Like, so I mean, this is where the tray's going to be for the bikes anyway, so I'm going to have to reinforce all this. I'm going to put it in first, and then I'm probably going to cut through it to put a subframe on for the tray. But it's only me and that in here. I think it'll be fine. Once I get the ply on here, I'm going to do the ply overlapping this, so that'll be in the middle of the ply. So yeah, see how it goes. Like I say, it's a box on wheels, isn't it? It's not going to be flat material or all like that. So I'll keep going. Get this cut out. Get that in. I've got a load of tile slats for boarding this out, because I'm going to put insulation in here, and then I've got some nice riv nuts in there that are already in. They're spot welded in, so I can take advantage of them. Right, so like I said, that's flat down. Got a big gap there. Got a big hole there. So I'm just gonna board it over with ply, and then see where we're at. I might have to drill through the ply and the insulation, and then maybe make some spacers. They'll have to be different lengths, obviously, to get it flat, so the draw comes out properly. But I think that's the only way I'm going to be able to do it, because to get all this back straight again, it's going to be a nightmare. I'll be much better off just getting, say, like a 10mm spacer there, 5mm spacer here, all that sort of stuff. Because I'm not going to be sat in the back of here. It's pretty flat where I'm going to be walking, so I'm happy with that. It's just this back bit, like I say, it's going to have a tray in it anyway, so I don't think it's going to matter much. So that's that down. It's not like perfect, but I don't need it to be. It's just a starting point because it's all going to be boxed in anyway, so you're not going to see any edges. It didn't matter if it were a little bit out. I mean, it's not that far out, is it? It's just, you know, the wall's going to be out anyway to this width. And then I'll probably have a shower in there, a little seating area here, and a little bit there for my fridge to go underneath. Yeah, I'll probably glue it down, and that'll be us. Right, I just put a little batten on there just to level it up while it sets, and there's one down there as well just for that bit. I've got my reverse camera to fit. I had to wait for an extension to come, but yeah, I've just shoved it down there. I'm going to put it under here. I've just got some underbody seal, just going to, it's a little bit rusty here, look. Just going to spray that up, comes down there, and I'm just going to mount it here.